When Reginald Iliffe died, he left a family bereaved but also angry. His daughter Pauline fought for 7 years to get an apology for his hospital care.
Dad didn't have any food, he didn't have any drink, he wasn't given his medication, he wasn't taken out of bed to go to the toilet, he wasn't incontinent. He was just left on a draw sheet. They didn't wash him, we washed him every day. His care was absolutely abysmal.
She found it so frustrating she eventually hired lawyers.
It is so difficult to make a complaint against the NHS. They just do not listen to you at all. They don't want to know.
Another death at University Hospital in Cardiff also shaped this review. In 2012, Owen Roberts spent his last 24 hours here on a trolley in A&E.
A universal healthcare system.
His wife, MP Ann Clwyd, was asked to investigate complaints after she raised the issue in Parliament.
However, there are increasing complaints about nurses who fail to show care and compassion to their patients.
The review she led says hospitals need to publish information about complaints, but most of all, staff need to listen when concerns are first raised.
We're hoping that this report will make it easier for people to complain, and hopefully the complaint will not escalate. They will be dealt with at the time it happens.
This review is calling for a big culture change in the way the NHS listens to patients' concerns and deals with their complaints. And it says if that change doesn't happen, they'll be back here at the Department of Health in a year's time, asking for more radical steps to be taken. Patient groups say change will only happen if the NHS stops being defensive.
Unfortunately, NHS staff do not see complaints as a way of learning, and until such time as they see complaints as helping them to do their job better, then if they're not going to take this approach, the culture in the NHS will never change.
Oh, there they are, look.
Most families want answers, not excuses, when mistakes are made, but most of all to know that lessons have been learned. Bronwyn Jeffries, BBC News.